is a test of a promag 12 round drum. I got the cheapest estate shotgun load that I could find, just some low brass cheap stuff. I think it was like $5 or $6 for 20 rounds. Anyway, we got 12 of them in this little drum. See how it works. So feeding it. It's not really wanting to. Okay. It's in there. That's what it looks like in the gun. Yeah, they worked. Some fitting, it said, so there we go. Now it fits. Looks good in there too. No issues. I just tested my Saiga12 with some cheap low brass stuff. I've used the 20 round drums and stick magazines, and I just got the 12 round drum. Seems to work good. Needs a little bit of fitting. I'm going to shoot at the same spot right across this canal, just in my backyard here. And I've been having issues with this KSG. I replaced the spring in the magazine tube. So I got it loaded with the same stuff, some low brass estate. I got 7 in each tube. Kind of testing this GoPro mount too, a homemade head mount. Anyway, I'm going to try and unload it over on this here. Okay, here it goes. Okay. Got an issue. And it's unconventional, so you don't know how to clear it. There's something in the chamber, I'd imagine. There's nothing floating around in here. It won't go on safe, and it won't rack at all. So, what's the procedure there? Okay, there we go. Try that again. Okay. Okay, so it's literally like you always hear about these things. You just gotta really pull it back. And you're kind of afraid of breaking something, so you don't pull back really hard. Well, you gotta pull back really hard. So that'll take some getting used to. I can see why they use the levers on these. This doesn't give you as much leverage, but you also don't want to break something off. But it fed them all out. There's one floating. I'll go grab that. So I'll try it again.